let's dive into our featured story of the day and discuss the macro guru, Raoul Pal, predicting in a new interview that Bitcoin could hit as high as $1 million per coin this cycle peak in 2025, which is only 2 years out. Let's freaking go. So here's the headline. Former Goldman Sachs executive says the crypto bull market barely started, unveiling his massive Bitcoin forecast. Here you go. The former Goldman Sachs exec, Raoul Pal, believes the crypto bull market has only just begun, despite the large digital asset gains this year in 2023. He shared with his subscribers on his YouTube channel that the bull market cycle can last for years, causing Bitcoin to potentially soar as high as $1 million per coin by 2025. Quoting him here, here's the chart, the long-term chart of Bitcoin since 2013. Some people use this chart longer term. I used to, but the early cycles was so kind of ridiculous that it screws up the chart. Other than that, it is actually a perfect logarithmic trend. And as you know, we think the business cycle peaks sometimes in the end of 2025, which would suggest a crazy sort of target that would get somewhere between $500,000 and $1 million per coin in Bitcoin. Do I expect that? Probably not, but who the hell knows, right? Well, at least he's honest about it. Now, Powell suggests the current bull market cycle is similar to the 2016-2017 cycle, when a huge influx of liquidity sent digital assets higher. He also says that even though Bitcoin and other altcoins have had strong rallies at the end of 2023, he believes the current bull market cycle is in its infancy. Quoting him here, these cycles can be crazy, and this one feels more like the 2016-2017 cycle than it does the prior cycle. Let me know if you agree or disagree with that sentiment. And that cycle didn't have a lot of central bank printing, not in the United States, but central bank balance sheets were rising. We saw 20% growth of liquidity, and what happened was crypto absolutely exploded. I kind of feel like that's the case. I don't focus on the end target, I focus on the structure. But I'm just showing you the magnitude of the opportunity. And we're still at one standard deviation oversold. It's all to play for. We are barely started. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree or disagree with that sentiment from Raoul Pal. I also like to point out that the stock to flow model is predicting post 2024 halving, which is in about 3.5 months to take place in April 2024. We can expect the Bitcoin price to be between $100,000 and $1 million per coin between 2024 and 2028. Let me know if you agree with Plan B and the stock to flow model, as well as Raoul Pal. Let me know your thoughts.